the Roaring 20s. So you selected option D? Well done, correct answer. Everything was dangerous on the vehicles at that time, and Mr. Jelinek, Daimler's most important customer, recognized that. And after a fatal accident in March 1900, Jelinek demanded from Maybach a vehicle that was much safer, more stable, and they worked on this vehicle immediately. And after 2.5 days working together, Jelinek was so impressed by Maybach's drawings and sketches that Jelinek ordered from Daimler 36 vehicles that did not yet exist. And they were identical to this vehicle here, the Mercedes Simplex from Daimler. What you see here is the world's oldest surviving Mercedes from 1902. First ones were built in 1900. Because Daimler is the DNA of the automobile, the Mercedes Benz Museum was constructed on the double helix of the DNA. And just like the DNA with two strands twisting around each other, our museum has two passages twisting around each other. Here we have legend rooms in the one passage where the vehicles are sorted chronologically. In the collection rooms, the vehicles are sorted thematically according to their use. Let's have a look at the collection rooms. In the collection rooms, all of these rooms open to the outside, with windows to the outside of the museum, showing our vehicles in daylight. In these rooms, the vehicles are sorted thematically according to their use. For example, here in the gallery of the carriers, we are showing the vehicles built by Daimler to transport goods, products and vehicles. For example, we have the 1624 back there to carry passenger cars, or we have the Blue Wonder, the fastest car transporter in the 1950s that could carry a vehicle at 170 kilometers an hour. Which of these two would you like to learn more about?
Jangan lupa subscribe. Di mana utunan?